In this training video, I am going to give you 4 dumb ways to make money online that actually works. You heard that right. When you look at this and when I share this with you, you're going to say, oh my word, can you even make money like this? And the answer is yes. Dumb ways to make money online. But it works. You can make money. And I'm going to share these top 4 ways that you can make money online starting today. No prior experience is required. Yes, when you go to these websites, you will need to learn a bit of the information on how it works to build the expertise. And once you get that, you will be able to make money online. So let's dive into this video and training on how 4 dumb ways to make money online that actually works. Number 1 is the website called ToCapture. It's a website where you solve capture services. Okay, so if you come here, you could see here capture entry work, capture typing jobs, work from home, earn money without any registration fees, and daily payments. You probably know what capture is. It's a way to verify if it's a real human or is it a bot. These websites have these capture places that they want to verify that the person who's entering this information, is it coming from a real human or is it a robot, etc. Okay, you can come here and do this job. It's a capture entry work, and you can start to make money. Now, whenever you come to websites like this, okay, for the first time, just make sure that you go through all the links. Okay, so take some time out and you just want to click on each of these links. Okay, you want to go to entry job, all right, and you want to read more information. As you can see, capture typing job, online earning by solving captures. Okay, you want to go to API, you want to go to proxy, you want to go to software, etc. And the reason you want to do this is you want to get a bit familiar about this website. You want to get familiar on how it works, how to make money, because you want to become a professional. Remember, if you're just coming as a newbie, you've never done this before, you want to become a professional. And when you become a professional, you become an expert, things becomes very easy for you and you will save a lot of time. So that's why I always say, whenever you visit any website, anything for the first time, just go through all the links to make sure that basically everything, you get familiar with everything and you become an expert. Okay, so that's number 1. Okay, number 1 way to make money online, and you can read all the information down here. Okay, make money by capture typing work in mobile, field capture and earn money without investment, online capture work with instant payments, capture entry jobs allows to easy earn online from home. Okay, so that's the number 1 website to make money online. Number 2, okay, is Userfeel. Userfeel is a tester website. Become a tester of websites and apps and earn $3 to $30 per test. Okay, now to get started with this website, you just need to go to start testing. Okay, and then you just need to register as a tester. Okay, and when you register as a tester, you will have to go through a certain verification, making sure that you are someone that's capable to test websites and know exactly what you're doing. Because at the end of the day, when you test websites, you're getting paid, but there's another person who is paying this company to get their websites tested. All right, so they have to make sure that they're not wasting money as well. So they're not just going to allow anyone to just come and say, okay, I'm going to test website, and he doesn't even know what he's doing. So that's why I say, once again, for the first time when you come to websites like this, just go through all these links, okay, and get familiar. All right, so you know what you're doing and you know what you're going to expect to actually start making money online with this website. All right, so if you go to features, you could see here test in over 40 languages, high quality tester panel, unlimited screener questions, video clip and notes, voice transcriptions, user list, and survey. These are all the ways to make money online. Okay, and if you're ready to get started and you are familiar, you've been through everything on this website, okay, and you believe that this is something that you can do in your spare time to earn extra cash every single week, all right, then you just need to go here, start testing, fill in the details, and whatever verification they ask you to do, just go through that, verify yourself, and you will be ready to rock and roll. Okay, so that was website number 2. Website number 3 to make money online, and that is usertesting.com. Very, very popular website. You probably heard about this website. I don't know if you have, but if you haven't, there you go. I've got it right in front of you. User testing website is a website. It's just similar to Userfeel. All right, you have to test websites and then you get paid. Okay, if you're interested, first of all, just go through all these links, making sure you're getting familiar with everything and you know exactly what you're doing. Okay, I have seen some people earning up to $500 a month in their spare time using this website. All right, because I've been checking out what people are saying about this website. Do they actually pay? Is it real, etc.? And I have seen people saying that they have been making constantly $500 plus every month just using this website, testing different websites in their spare time, and it's an extra cash. $500 a month, it can pay your bills, it can pay for your fuel, car fuel, etc. Okay, so something is better than nothing. All right, so this is a website you can register. When you're ready to register for this website, you just want to come here, you want to click on get paid to test, okay, and then you just want to scroll down and you want to enter your email address here, get started. You're going to receive a verification code or a verification link to your email address. Just make sure you click that link and get verified quickly as possible, and then go through the testing phrase. Okay, so here's how it works: apply, browse, test, make money online. 4 steps. Okay, apply, browse, test, make money online. Now let me tell you the last one. So this video is all about 4 dumb ways to make money online that actually works. Now the last one is going to surprise you, and the reason it's going to surprise you is because I think you have never ever even, let me just put it this way, okay? I think you've never thought of making money like this. I believe you probably never dreamed, or it never crossed your mind that you can actually make money like this. Yes, that's right. I'm telling you the truth. The 4 dumb way to make money online that actually work is going to actually surprise you and give you an aha moment. You're going to say, oh my word, can you even make money like this? I didn't know. I'm not even joking. Let's get into the 4th way to make money online with this website, okay? So, what is it? Let's get into this. Check this out. Human microbes, okay? What is it? What am I talking about? Check this out, alright? This is a website where you can do something and get paid. Something that you're already doing on a daily basis, okay? It is quite surprising, okay? When I came across this website for the first time, I was actually surprised and shocked. I said, oh my word, you can even make money like this? Thousands of ways to make money online. This is one of them. And most people don't even know about this. Let me just scroll down. Let me show you what I'm talking about. Become a stool donor. Yeah, that's right. Complete the screening questionnaire. Complete verification of stool time and physical fitness. A video interview. Stool and blood test paid for by us or the recipient. Get paid $500 per stool. If you are having a bowel movement every day, it can total $180,000 per year. I'm sure you're surprised. Are you surprised? If you are surprised, give me a thumbs up, man. Give me a thumbs up, okay? And share this video. Click the share button. Share this video with the people, with your friends, with your subscribers, with your followers. And share this video. Click the share button and you will get a share link. Just share that link with the people you know. This one video can help someone, okay, who is actually interested in making money online. Alright? So give me a thumbs up, it will be appreciated. And if you love this video, leave a comment and give me a comment saying that you love this video, and I will come up with some brand new ways and more new unique opportunities for you to make money online. So these are 4 dumb ways to make money online that actually works. Go through all 4 of these websites, see which one you like, see which one you love, okay, which resonates with you, and get started, my friend. You're going to be making hundreds of dollars every month in your spare time, okay? So, give me a thumbs up. Leave a comment if you love this video and you want to see more videos like this, okay? Share this video with the people you care, and I will see you in the next video.